Yeah, Jamaica. Want to level up, I think. And the title of this video I make right now, it's all about the truth. And so help me God at the truth. Me hear a lot of Jamaicans, you see, say the Chinese come to take over Jamaica. I come to take over Jamaica. And then, you know the truth about the Chinese taking over Jamaica, I want to make one thing clear to every Jamaican. Alright, to that Friday now. To that Friday, what time it is? Let me see time now. What time it is? Now 2:50. 2:50. And when I say 2:50, at 2:50 Jamaica time. And I say, I'm 47-year-old. And when I say I'm 47-year-old, I'm born at Springfield. I be in Jamaica. And me hear Jamaicans say Chinese are come to take over Jamaica. And when me remember back when my people, them used to say, my grandparents used to say, never bite the hands that feed you. And when I look around myself and I say, Jamaicans, I say, Chinese. Ah. When I hear Jamaicans say, and Jamaican I say, Chinese I take over Jamaica. And when me really look down at my brains backs and think what Bob Marley say. Bob Marley say, none but one can free our mind. None but one can free our mind. And then Jamaican, my grandmother teach me, I think in Jamaica say, never bite the hands that feed you. And the point when I try to send out to all Jamaicans who claim to say, and all of them will come on social media say, I make all of the rest of the country them people come and tell about. Me even American come and make paprika say, the Chinese soon turn Jamaican in our Jamaica and Chinese colony. Yeah, a thing about it, if Jamaica need for change, if Jamaica should in case Jamaica turn in one Chinese colony and Chinese people are rule Jamaica, it would be a more different thing for Jamaica. Because when I say it's about more different thing for Jamaica, England been ruling Jamaica for so long, and then Jamaica indebted to other country. America been governing over Jamaica so long, and then Jamaica still indebted. Jamaica, Canada now making passport for Jamaica, and Jamaica still indebted. Which when we try to put across the table, I show Jamaican people where understand themselves. Jamaica, Chinese in Jamaica from so long. Chinese in Jamaica when the president, when them called Bill Clinton, they have a lot of factories in Jamaica. You know. Listen to me I say, you know, I want to say because but me a bounty killer make a speech I say pan the thing I say pan the one interview say if Jamaica will take over China, if China will take over Jamaica, you see, him what not even want to repeat the word what him say. But when me I say and I try to put across the table, today Friday now. Today Friday. And when you're talking about Friday, you know how many Jamaicans a Chinese are put a check in them hand or put money in them envelope. Today that means a Monday morning. Monday morning, they can pay them rent and pay them bill and pay them send them to go school. When they factory them used to do there now. And them used to run by different foreigners. And them take out all of the factory in the 1996, 97 come up could hear lockdown and all them things lockdown out of Jamaica. In them mother country they left Jamaica and them face. The Chinese them were there with the island time. The Chinese them were there with all of them time, you know. So if you say now yourself never buy the hand that feed you, and then the Chinese them was there all the time, 90% of the time, me no say Chinese that do Jamaican anything, you know, Jamaican that do Chinese things, you know. Me no say no Chinese that kill no Jamaican, a Jamaican that kill Chinese, you know. And when me sum it up and me look back up in a Rima, Jungle, Mar Valley, what the place name? Jonestown, and live in a Cook Street. And when I used to remember, for instance, when I used to live at Chancellor Lane first, and remember back in the days when them places used to be residential area. Residential area when Mar Valley and them places used to be residential area where decent people live. And like there was no Beverly's was there and no Jacksonville was there. Them they come after. The residential area was all of them part there. Red Hills. Some I don't know exactly what I talk. Them part they used to be the residential area where the rich people them live. Now we turn ghetto area, you know. Now the area they turn ghetto area and the Chinese they was there all the time. So if China they want to take over Jamaica, because me know Chinese, you know, where my grandmother died when she was 96 years old. And me know one Chinese woman who live in a Yellow Bay where them call Miss Hope. Miss Hope, if that woman do not dead, and if she did the same way, that woman that dead before me born, and her father and her brother, where them call Eddie Yap, where them said Jamaican kill him. So Jamaican black man kill him, you know. And him did it, them people that did it from ever since I contribute to them community. To them community, and then the father of them, for them father and mother, was there. And if you calculate that, that is over 100 years. And now, 2018, Chinese are trying to open the eyes of Jamaican people. And then Jamaican people are going to say, Chinese try to take over Jamaica. And then the Chinese, all the rest of the country, them rule Jamaica. And I kiss Jamaica, kiss them ass. And all of the abuse, what them abuse Jamaican. The Jamaican ganja, they were the strongest ganja in the world. And them in prison so much Jamaican feet. And them strive to burn down the ganja field. Them do all different type of man of evil to Jamaica. And the Chinese was there. The Chinese them was there to imply the Jamaican people them. Jamaica people may not talk with Chinese people, you know. I mean I say we not to get rid of the Chinese, you know. But them say the stone, the Chinese them what we are fight against and we are make people tell us if we get rid of now. You see, have one of the fastest and the strongest economy and regime ever built in the world. So what you want to tell me now say we Jamaican are poverty, we rather we done in our hole already, you know. No for them scandal bag country the jar, we don't have the hole with them, you know. We have a float pan top of the bag top, you know. In a debt, you know. Jamaica a float pan top of bag top in a debt. And if Mr. Andrew Owness have look of sense in his head and say to him, say, alright, this is the only thing Mr. Andrew Owness can do as a Prime Minister and the youngest Prime Minister ever can do in Jamaica is to make certain that each and every Jamaican own a piece of land in a Jamaica. Make we rent to the Chinese them, the new type of Chinese them, because you have Chinese were born a Jamaican as born Jamaican, you know. Where they mean like if they bring them father, them family come here is a illegal lie. Your family, you can't tell them say never bring them family. Alright, you make way Mr. Andrew Owness, we make certain that every born black Jamaican, you see, because you have Indian Jamaican too, you know, yeah, white Jamaican too. Every Jamaican have a piece of land in a Jamaica. That means that when the foreigner them come, we can rent it out to them. Instead of we are going to sell it to them. When every country when they calculate it, the whole entire country, in the whole entire world of country where them sell out. Country sell this a country, from that the country and that the country there. And when they calculate it out, you know, Jamaica have a tax rate where them tax people 25%. Where some country where all tax 25% or 14%, how much percent them have them percentage. While some country percent, another country I'm living in percent at 7%. And if Jamaica tax percent at 14% is double. And if Jamaica sell out the airport at certain amount of percent, them still own certain amount of percent, you know. So when them artists will come up and read and them people will come up on social media and say, boy, Jamaica try to turn Jamaica now and Chinese colony. If Jamaica to turn one Chinese colony and that if get Jamaica out of the debt with them more and be Jamaica be better supreme Jamaica be one of the fast rise in this economy in the whole entire Caribbean. That would be great. That would be great. Me not say nobody be take no side from my side. I say for instance, me agree. Me agree with the Chinese them. But the Chinese, me born come see the Chinese them in Jamaica, so me I respect them. Me born come see them in Jamaica, and then say you always respect your elders, you know. And then say never bite the hands out feed you. And if the Chinese them always put food on the table, me used to work with Chinese, you know. When they come on to Friday, you know miss your money are dead. You know have to call no union or no Chinese. And Chinese always did it with we Jamaican through thick and thin. Them now pack up and run the gun to China and find no bankrupt. Like no for them mother country they will come to Jamaica come do look a business and pack up and left out of Jamaica. Union put on a strain on them run gone. And the Chinese them did it with we through thick and thin. And now we are going to take influence of other people and other country. And then the Jamaican we have them take the chain off of them brain and put it on them feet and tell us, for instance, them a teacher get to you them right from wrong. Still a mislead them. If how can Chinese be a bad influence to Jamaican country and Chinese been feeding over 500,000 Jamaica for much 18 years? It over 500,000 Jamaican eating and getting a salary from the Jamaican, the Chinese people them. So how can them be bad? The Chinese people them not chaotic and you know, we always live together as one, you know. You never hear China bring up a riot in Jamaica. You never hear Chinese bring up a riot in Jamaica. Them are just good investors and people where no matter what them stick to you, them stick to them community. You see, them stick to them community. I live in some foreign country. I live in a foreign country and in the country for instance, you know see no black people I work in none of them Chinese places. There are some Chinese to them in them country are just Chinese alone. You see some of them. 1 and 2 are the native people. But in Jamaica you find Jamaican people working in the Jamaican Chinese shop them. Downtown, when you go downtown, you find Iron Street, King Street, Princess Street, West Street, the whole of the street, they have the street you can talk about in Kingston, Jamaica. But when you say, for instance, owned by Chinese, and the them store there, for instance, we not even know. If you ask how many Jamaicans know if the Chinese them where I work down in King Street and Orange Street and all of them street. You see? If I them own a place we don't know, so probably we don't know ourselves. And next thing again, you know, what I not understand with Jamaican people. Jamaican people them continue talking about Chinese taking over and taking influence on people. I know fighting the Chinese them. What about the Indians them? The Indians them have no love for Jamaicans. The Indians them own them store them not even eat out of the set glass and drink out of the set cup as we Jamaicans. Them not all in a sit down and eat and laugh and talk with we Jamaicans but from work and this for instance and after that they let them do it. I mean, I hear nobody a lick up on the Indians them. White over the world, Indian people don't like black people without a fool. I mean, I know what black people do them. Them hate black people without a cause, and even in our own country, Jamaica, them have slavery in our own country, Jamaica, and racism in our own country, Jamaica, and Jamaica people now see it. And no Jamaican now come lick out. And say about the people from India, them come and Jamaica come with the racism and them no. It's fine. But them just come, you know. But the Chinese them what did it with too thick and thin, and then we are fight. But as one thing me can say, Mr. Andrew honest, them say never bite the hand we feed you. And any stupid ass Jamaican feel that, for instance, Jamaica, China, they get a chance. China and like we have Chinese in the government, you know, like government rule the country, and like we have not then like for instance, Chinese that take over in a corner parliament, and then Chinese take over parliament and China won half of Jamaica. How much parish in Jamaica Chinese won so? And what parish in Jamaica, Chinese are business up. Center Mass have Chinese in the but you can count the few. You know have 20 Chinese man in a center mass, the whole entire center mass do business. And in some of the parish, you know have no whoop Chinese in them do not put a business. So Chinese take over Jamaica. And the Chinese them entitled to Jamaica just like the air sky. We make if anyone who check, who know history, who know find out the Chinese in Jamaica before the black Chinese, black ass Jamaican them. The Chinese, them, you know, them bring the government working as slavery before the rest of the black people working as slavery. Although black people did Jamaica long before Christopher Columbus go there to them, because the maroon them was there. The maroon them was there, you know. You see, the maroon was there, but the thing about it what me I say, and I try to put across the table. The Chinese people them more loving to it more than any other country people. So how comes you can't ever bite the hands that feed you? If you like what me I say, like and share and subscribe to my channel. And leave a comment at the bottom. And big up on yourself.